Hey everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today, we are going to make a frog and run a race to see whose frog can go further. Fold the paper in half into a rectangle. Fold it in half into a square to make a crease. Unfold and bring the bottom edge to the crease. Fold the bottom right corner up to the center line and unfold. Fold the bottom left corner up to the center line and unfold. Let's take a look at the upper square part and bring the center point of all the left, right, and top edges to the bottom edge. Then, it becomes a triangle now, which will be a face of the frog. Fold each corners up to make front legs. Fold the bottom up to the upper edge. Bring the left and the right edges to the center. Split fold to make hind legs. Ta-da! Here we have frogs to play the game. There are 3 frogs lined up at the starting line and 1 umpire frog. Let's see which one goes further. Did you have fun with 종이접기 while learning English today? Subscribe to have fun with us. See you next time. Bye!